What's up, everyone? So I got a 2020 Volkswagen Jetta here, or GLI, and we're going to show you how to do the maintenance reset or oil light reset. All you're going to do here is you're going to hold this button down. You're going to turn the car onto accessory mode, and it'll say reset oil change service. You're going to hit it again. It says the service interval is reset, so that's good to go. Hit okay, turn it off completely, and you're going to do the same thing, and you're going to hold it even longer this time, and then the service interval should pop up. So it says reset oil change, and then you hold it a little bit longer, and then it gets you the inspect and service, and you will press it again, and it'll come up and it'll say okay, and then you're good to go. And you turn it off, turn it back on, and then your light was reset. Everything's good to go. If you have any other questions, or if you want to see any other videos, just leave a comment below, and I wish you a wonderful day.